Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castilla and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is righteousness. So, kapag sinabing righteousness, it means God always acts according to what is right, and He Himself is the ultimate standard of right and wrong. Flowing from His perfect nature, God is holy, just, and true. His righteousness calls individuals to live uprightly, families to walk in His ways, and nations are called to justice. At the cross, His justice and mercy met. Sin was punished, and sinners are declared righteous through faith in Jesus' life. So, ayon po sa Psalm chapter 145 verse 17, the Lord is righteous in all His ways and faithful in all He does. So, dumako naman po tayo sa ating katuroan. Sinasabi po ito na God will not tolerate evil forever. So, it means hindi papayagan ng Diyos na magtagumpay ang kasamaan. Magpakailanman. Maaaring magtagal ito ngayon, pero darating ang time na hatulan niya ang masama. Next is a sin not to change our evil future. So, kung alam natin na mali ang isang gawain sa kultura, halimbawa, corruption, cheating, chismis, pero hinayaan lang natin ang kasalanan din yun, we become part of the problem kung hindi tayo nagbabago. Next is, righteousness must be sought like food and water. So, gaya ng laging hinahanap ng katawan ang pagkain at tubig para mabuhay, dapat ganoon din tayo ka-desperate sa kaluwalhatian and hindi optional kundi daily needs. So, sa applications naman po, sinasabi ko na, reflect God's righteousness in your hearts. So, ipakita natin ang kabanalan ng Diyos sa puso at actions natin, sa words, sa decisions, at sa way of life. Next is, resist the evil culture in your family. So, kahit pa may nakasanayan ng mali sa pamilya, halimbawa, white lies, favoritism, or vision, tumoy tayo at huwag sumabay, maging good influence tayo. Next is, remain hungry and thirsty of righteousness. So, huwag tayo magsawa, mag-seek kay Lord. Tuloy-tuloy ang pag-aaral ng Bible, prayer, at paggawa ng tama, kahit mahirap, kasi ito ang tunay na satisfactions. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.